Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients now and measure precisely before you begin making the cake. Use 400 g granulated sugar, 100 g glucose syrup, and 120 ml water in a heavy saucepan. Keep 5 g peppermint oil ready and green food coloring ready for final tint. Line and lightly oil a 20 cm square tin for pouring the hot sugar mass. Have a sugar thermometer that reads up to 160 degrees Celsius close at hand. Clear workspace and have oven mitts and a spatula prepared. Combine sugar, glucose syrup, and water in the saucepan and stir to dissolve. Bring the mixture to a boil and monitor with the thermometer until 145 degrees Celsius. Do not stir once it reaches target or sugar may grain unpredictably during the cool. Remove from heat and cool undisturbed to 80 degrees Celsius before adding flavor and color. Stir in 5 g peppermint oil and a few drops of green food coloring gently and evenly. Pour into the prepared 20 cm tin, and once the cake has fully crystallized and cooled, loosen edges from the tin carefully. Turn the slab onto a clean board and check that it is firm and not tacky. Use a sharp knife warmed under hot water to cut bars approximately 3-5 cm thick for easy snacking. Wipe the knife between cuts to keep edges neat and reduce shattering. Wrap each bar in wax paper individually and place them in an airtight container. Store at room temperature away from moisture and heat for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.